Now you start again, the right up to the middle, left up to the middle, right up to the middle, left up to the middle, right, left, and try to pinch hard the end. Once you finish with the plaiting, I'm going to start rolling over from the bottom, soft, gently, all the way to the top, until you have something looking like a bun. Now the seam of the bun is going to be touching the bottom of my silicone mold, so we can have the beautiful side of the bun facing us. And I'm going to now repeat the process with all of them. So remember to keep about 1 centimeter on the top, so the plaiting is going to be much easier than if you have cut it all the way. Plait. Pinch. And then we start rolling gently. If you have any sun-dried tomatoes coming out or spinach, you put it back in. And like this, again, remember the seam of your bun facing down goes on top, underneath,